Hi, this is Ken Bogeman with SG Advantage, and today we are going to talk about how to create and edit routes using the SG Advantage software. You'll come to your dashboard screen here, which if there's nothing going on, the dashboard will be blank, just fine. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you've already got your team members entered. And you can do that from the Our Team button here on the left, which there's a different training video on that. If you need help with how to enter team members, go ahead and find that video and get through. It's about 2 minutes, no big deal. So once you've got your team members in place, which are essentially your foreman, or anybody that's going to be starting and stopping work orders for you, you're going to come down to Our Routes and click that. And this will bring up the routing window here, which currently is blank because there's no routes in place just yet. So what we're going to do is first we're going to create the route. So this is going to essentially be the placeholder for the routing that you're going to do. So you're going to go ahead and name it. Let's call this route number 1. And let's, from your team members section here, you just click in there and you can select which team member you want to be responsible for this route. So we're going to call that John Doe. And then any notes would go here. So in the notes section, you can put whatever notes you need to in there. And then click save, and now you've got a route here which you can start filling properties into. Currently it shows 0 stops, which we can see right here. So to go ahead and add things to that route, you're going to go to this blue pencil, click on that, and what you'll see on the left is the information that we had just dropped in when we created this route. The route stops are in the middle, which is currently empty, and on the right are available assignments. These available assignments are all of the assignments that you have accepted from the subscriber or subscribers that you're working with. So what you can do here is you can go on in, and let's say we're going to set up a plowing route, right? So we want to do plowing. So we're going to start with lot clear for Chad's driveway maybe, or the apartment complex. Okay, so let's do the apartment complex and then Chad's driveway. And then we're going to go ahead and come down here and do another clear at the fast food restaurant. So you just click this green button and it will add those stops in order here on the left. Now let's say you need to rearrange that. That's no problem. You can just click on, say, the fast food restaurant. We're going to move that up to the top. So now that puts the fast food restaurant first. So you can move these around as you need to in whatever order you want that to be. And if you want to remove one, just simply click the red X and it will delete that stop from that route. And that's how you assign where these are going to go. At any point, you can click this SOW, and that will download the scope of work for that property. So if you forget what size properties there are or what needs to be done where, the scope of work is available for each individual property in this window as you go. So once you get this in place, then you could go ahead and click Save Route. And now you'll see we've got 2 stops right here. The route is in fact active. And at any point, if you want to edit that, just click on the blue button and you can add whatever you need to in there and move things around as necessary. Say that again. Some other things you can do here is if you click on the binoculars here to view the route details, that'll come up with just what it is and where they're going and in what order. If we return to list, you can delete the route here. The other thing you can do is if you click there to print the route, what this will do is this will generate a PDF for you that will give you the information that's on the route. If we come over here and pull this up, that's what it'll look like. So stop 1, stop 2, stop 3, where they're going, and then how much of the service we need to do. So similarly, if we were going to go ahead and pick up that scope of work, that's what this will look like right there, with a photo of the property and the information that you need to know. So for example, what the address is, acres, square footage, come over here, how much material needs to be used, all of that information is available right there with no issues. So that's it. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help however we can. Thanks. Have a great day.